this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something fancy from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Sugakiya variety. See that big mound of red powder? It's supposed to be really spicy, and we will find out whether or not it fits that bill. So we're going to put in all the stuff that's not liquid, cover it, and let it sit for 4 minutes. Is this the powder? Yeah, this is a big thing of spicy powder. We'll put that in last. Put that in last. Yeah. See, it sucks because I'd really like to gutsy this up and then try it. I mean, I could do it that way. Maybe I should. There's that. Here's our powder base. There's been a debate going on in the Ramen Junkies group with this guy who says, this is the correct... It's like he doesn't believe that soup base is like really all that soluble for some reason. So he's like, well, you might have certain areas that are saltier than others. It's like, is that because you got a really limp wrist and you can't actually stir a pot of noodles? Is that why you're having this problem? I really don't understand. It's not that hard. You're gonna be okay. That's not the issue at hand. The issue at hand is there are varieties that are saltier than others. The issue at hand is that if you're on a low sodium diet, why are you even bothering with ramen? There's no point. So like soups are salty. Why? Because water dilutes. Okay? So if you have a cup of water, or if you have like a slice of bread, the amount of salt you would have to put on a slice of bread if you want it to be a little bit salty, minuscule. The amount of salt you will have to put into liquid to make it salty, a large amount. So that's the deal, and the guy just can't get to that. He's just like, well, if you want it evenly dispersed, it's like, I don't know, some people. It's Cinco de Mayo. It is, everybody goes to the Mexican restaurant, drinks Dos Equis or Pacifico or Corona. Personally, and I don't drink anymore, but if I was going to drink a Mexican beer, Victoria. I like that stuff. Victoria is good. And if I was going to go out to a Mexican restaurant today, which I'm not, I don't even know if they serve it up here. But whenever I go down and visit my wife's folks down in Livermore, California, which is Oakland, Bay Area, San Francisco, burritos al pastor. Anything al pastor. Oh, man. It's like the yakisoba flavor of Mexican food, folks. It's got so much good tamarind flavor in it. Yeah, that floats my boat. So, yeah. Next time we go down there, I don't know, diet be damned. I'm getting some burritos al pastor. It's good. It's really good. I might even have a Victoria. Probably not. Anyways, yeah. I'm kind of got a countdown going on. It's like, I want to say 29 days. Is this thing? Is it my phone's dirty or is the lens on the camera dirty? I don't know. The lens may be dirty. Yeah, look over here. Is it dirty? I don't know. I should get a lens wipe for the next episode. The next episode, ooh, I've got the last of the 3 Ippudo boxed varieties that I'm going to do on the next episode. I'm really looking forward to that. To sharing with you and enjoying our time together, as we do every day on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Do you enjoy it? You don't. We'll start to. That'd be my advice to you. Anyways, yeah, I know there's not a ton of people that watch the show every single day, but to those that do, that kind of weirds me out. Stop it. Stop watching me every day. It's weird too, because I'll go like, I almost went an entire month without really doing much of any reviews recently. And I do that, but I start up with the next episode just after, you know, if it was like March 4th was the episode, skip a month, March 5th will be the next episode, you know, so. Anyways, if you're a heavy user of instant noodle recipe time, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Although it is kind of weird. I enjoy doing the show, I think. I don't get it. I mean, I do this every day. Maybe I should just switch to Twitch. But that's too much. That's like, you have to do it at the same time every day. That's kind of like, you know. I do want to do another Reddit AMA, but every time I try to do one of those, Reddit gets its panties in a bunch and says something like, you need to prove who you are. It's like, dude, who is trying to be me? And I thought I did all the crap you wanted. What's that noise? Oh, I think somebody's cleaning their carpet. But that was a weird noise, folks. I really don't know what to think about that. Ah, they're cleaning the carpet floors upstairs, ladies and gentlemen. That is totally all right with me. I don't mind. I need to do that to my floor and freak out the people below us about the sound that makes. Although we have a Swiffer, I don't think it makes noise. Either way, some cleaning needs to be done. I think it's a valid venture to clean up after oneself, don't you? Anyways, let's, yeah, I just want to do the spring cleaning, get rid of a ton of crap. All right. There's the noodle. Lovely noodle. And then here's the broth. Look at that. This is really good stuff. It's got a nice thickness to it. A tanginess to it. So, wow, there is a mound of spicy with this one. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna garnish this up, folks. Go take the beauty shots and come back and then take like a mouthful of the noodles and the super stuff. Right there, without that garnish 1-2 punch, it's good. Is this bowl? That bowl's gonna be too freaking deep, dude. This bowl has a chip right there. Here, let's see. Maybe that's better. Yeah, there's a little chip out of it. This came from Daiso, and Daiso used to be like my go-to for bowls because they were cheap and they had lots of cool ones. And then what happened? They all went to monotone bowls, and they're all stupid, lame, and garbage. It's like, what happened? It used to be beautiful, Daiso. Not anymore. It's like, back in the day, you go spend $1.50 on a really neat bowl at Daiso. Then, you go spend $1.50 on an ugly bowl at Daiso. It's like, Something happened. I don't know what, but I've been to Daiso in Canada, California, or yeah, San Francisco, Seattle. It's all the same crap. It's really, I swear, a boring store for boring white people. I don't know. I don't get it. They had such a great thing going, and then it just kind of went down a hill. All right, let's egg it up. Egg it up, egg it on. With our beautiful organic. Now the whole apartment is vibrating. I didn't request a vibration. Wow, these eggs, I gotta say, 18 count of these free-range organic brown eggs at our stinky local store for $6. That's like unheard of. I wish eggs you could just freeze them because I would get oh, see that? That's a disappointment. But yeah. Oh, is our fridge vibrating? Something is causing a subharmonic frequency variant in the time-space continuum. And it's going maybe, I don't know. Wow, this stuff's freaking oily, folks. Very freaking oily. Spring onion. As one person's called it, an unhealthy amount of spring onion. I love that. Somebody saying the amount of spring onion that I use is unhealthy, that makes me smile. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. All right, now we're gonna put on the hot stuff. I'm gonna try to get it in a nice fancy little pile like on the picture of the package. Somebody keeps binging me. I think it's my buddy Jamie from the UK. Oh, wow. Okay. So there we are, our Mount Vesuvius of, I mean, look at that. Whoa, and it smells like Chipotle. Yeah, it's definitely a smoked pepper powder. That's what I'm getting out of it. So there's that, and I'm gonna go take some beauty shots of it in right now. Oh, we need some mung bean sprouts because this is the last day, isn't it? These expire tomorrow. I might do one review tomorrow. Today's Cinco de Mayo, but tomorrow is May 6th. And May 6th... Oh, these seem kind of expired already. Damn you, mung bean sprouts. May 6th would have been my dad's 96th birthday. Yeah. Alright, let's go like that for a moment, and I'm going to take a couple pictures, bring this back, and then give this spicy action a try. Here we go, I'm giving it a try, ladies and ladies. That looks like whoa, what the frick is going on here? Taking pictures. picture's taken, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna tell you right now, it freaking sounds like, oh, I'll show you. I'll share. I think you should be able to see this. So I go over there and I take my shots, and the beauty shots I take, there's one, that's the top down shot. Whoops, 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 whoops. And then I do a couple side angles. There's one. And there's one with more of a tilt to it. And here's the last top down. Yeah. So, yeah. And now we'll give this a try, because this begs sampling in its native form. Look at that pile of funk. Let's get it a little wet. It says, add it in small amounts. It might be too spicy for you if you're sensitive. I'm not sensitive. I am definitely not sensitive. Although I don't know. I think cheers. That's right. Oh, that's foul. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. You know what? I forgot. They mentioned that powder has a lot of fish in it. Oh, and they weren't kidding. It's not hot. It's really not hot. It's like, oh, that's foul. That went from being, if you get this, skip that. Throw in some shichimi, okay? Because that stuff tastes like, yeah. Wow. Okay, now I want to have the initial broth again, because that was good. Yeah, that's good. That powder turns it to garbage. Big fat zero. Without that, God, 5. Honestly, that pile, that crap that they're espousing as like the panacea of wonderment of this product, takes it from something good and throws it in the freaking toilet. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it really helps me out. Have a good one. Don't use that powder. Bye-bye.